Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. In the last class, I have started chapter 4, that is linear equation in two variables. What we have discussed? A linear equation in two variables can be written in the form of what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is called general form or standard form. I repeat, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and a and b are not together 0. A, b, c all are real numbers, but a and b are not together 0. Understood? Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is solution of linear equation. In the previous class I have shown you that how to find out solution of a linear equation in one variable, and also you got in your previous classes. See, we know that linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Unique solution, that means I want to give you an example. You can see here, for example, suppose you are having a linear equation in two variable, 2x plus 2 is equal to 5. This is linear equation in one variable because only one variable is here. In this case you can find out the solution like that: 2x, then if you transfer 2 on the right hand side, 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore the value of x will be what? 3 by 2, and this 3 by 2 is the solution of this linear equation in one variable. And this is why I call, because other than this value of x, you cannot find out any other value for this equation. Understood? That is why this is a unique solution. So what can you say about the solution of linear equation involving two variables? Now you are coming to know about the solution of linear equation in two variables. As we know that in a linear equation in two variables, there are how many variables? Two variables. For example, you are having two variables, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. You will not get unique value of x or y. But if you think that then you can put any value. See how to find out. Suppose we are taking, when we substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, so substitute this value: 2 into 3 6, and 3 into 2 6. You are thinking, why I am taking x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. There is a reason. See, after putting the value of x and y, if you simplify, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 2 is 6, then what? Left hand side and right hand side are what? Equal. Means when you are getting the left hand side and right hand side are balanced, that time only you can say these are the solution of this linear equation. Means in this case, or for this equation, this 3 and 2 are the solution of this equation. The value of x is 3 and value of y is 3. Now the big question is that only this 3 and 2 are the solution of this equation. Means for this x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, you will get left hand side and right hand side are equal. No, maybe you will get for other value also. So example, you can say, if I am going to put in the place of x 0 or in the place of y 4, see, 2 into 0 0, 3 into 4, so y value of y is 4, 3 into 4 12, then also 0 plus 12. Then can you say that 0 and 4 also the solution of this equation? Yes, 0 and 4 is also the solution of this equation. So like this we can find how many? To balance this equation, you will get infinitely many values of x and y to balance this. Means you are thinking that means the solution of linear equation in two variables are infinitely many. Yes, there are infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variables. Understood why? Yes, because we can balance by different values. Then only you can say that the value this is the solution. That is why I want to say that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. And this solution is written as an order what? Pair 3 2. If you are taking like this 3 2, this is the value of x. The value of x will be written first, then comma, then y. The value of y. Then this pair is just like this. In the case of solution, you have to write like that 3 2. Like this one 0 4. Then you have to write this 0 4. And there are infinitely many solutions. Understood? This is a concept of solution of linear equation in two variables. Clear? Next, exercise 4.2. Question number 1. I hope all of you understood the concept of solution of linear equation. Okay. See. Which one of the following option is true and why? For question number 1. That equation is y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only one solution, and infinitely many solutions. This is what? How many variables? Two variables. So this is a linear equation in two variables. So it is this is an MCQ type question. Then you can say number 1 unique solution, number 2 only one solution, number 3 infinitely many solutions. Obviously the answer is what? Infinitely many solutions. Just now I have explained about this. Clear? Next. And option is true and why? Why? The answer of why you can find out yourself if you understood the explanation. Because you can get different value of x and y for this equation, or you can find yourself the result answer is y. No need to give me a homework, so you can find yourself why, because I have explained. Next, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. There are 3 questions. I took 2 from them. As you see, you have to find out 4 solutions. Already I told you there are infinitely many solutions. So then if there are infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variables, then find out how many? 4. Yes, you can easily find out 4 solutions. But how to find out? How to find out? When I have shown you this explanation, the value of x and 3, this one I have taken directly. Yes or no? But how to find out? Yes, see. To find out the 4 solution of each of the following equations, first of all, so question number 1. First of all, you have to express this equation in terms of y or in terms of x. Do you understand? In terms of y or in terms of x. Suppose I am going to write it is in terms of x. Then y should be alone on the left hand side, and just you write this twice x on the right hand side, means 7. If when you transfer twice x on the right hand side, it will be minus. Now is alone or not? Or if you want to write this one in terms of x, so in terms of y, then also you can write like twice x, then y you transfer on that side. But still it is not completed, because x should be alone, means x is equal to, now 2 is multiplied with x. So when you will transfer it on the right hand side, it will be divided 7 minus y by 2. Now anyone you can use to find out the solution. Suppose this one looking easy, it is easy. See, no need to do both of them, means I want to say that no need to express in terms of x or y both. Any one you can express. Which one is you feel easy, that after looking the equation you can decide that I have to express, I am going to express it in terms of y, then it will be easy for me. Anyone. I have shown you because of understand only. Okay. So suppose I am taking this one. So y equal to 7 minus 2x. Clear? Now see, you have to make a box like that. This one x and this one y. Now you have to choose a value of x. Any value you can choose. 100, 1000, 0, 500, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 crore, anything. You can choose value of x. And see, if you are going to choose, you have to do the calculation on the right hand side. Okay. But here I am going to solve question number 2. That is why I am doing solution on the left hand side. But actually it is a rule. You have to do all the solution on the calculation on the right hand side. So here, suppose you are taking y. Suppose you are taking the value of x is 0. Then it will be 2 into 0. This is 0, okay. 2 into 0. Then 7, 2 0 is 0, 7 minus 0, 7. That means when you are taking the value of x is 0, the value of y is 7. Maybe you are thinking after putting the value of x and y, the equation blends or not, you can check. 0, if you put at the place of x 0, 2 0 is 0, then y 7. So 7 balance or not, so it's correct. Or you want, if you want to take any value, you can take minus, plus, minus 3, minus 5, negative, positive, all the values you can take. Suppose I am taking 2 into 2. In the place of x, what now? 2. Then 2 2s are 4. How much? 3. Means when you are taking 2, how much you are getting? Value by 3. See, this calculation try to complete in your mind. Okay? Try to complete in your mind. By using your mind, you can do calculation easily. No need to write like that way. Otherwise, it will take long time. See. Suppose I am going to take 4 in the place of x. 2 4s are how much? 8. Then 7 minus, see like that. In the place of x 4, then it will be multiplied. 4 2s are 8. Then 7 minus 8. Minus, oh sorry, one more solution you have to take, no? 4 solution you need. Okay? Then now, so okay, negative value, suppose minus 1. If you are going to put in the place of x minus 1, so minus 1 in the place of x, minus 1 into minus 2, minus plus 2, then 7 plus 2, 9. Therefore, these are the solutions. Therefore, the 4 solutions are, you have to write like that. Already I have told you how to write. 0 7 like this, then 2 3, then 4 minus 1, and one more minus 1 9, like this way. Clear? Like this. This is the answer. This 4 solution. So for this, now question number 2, pi x plus y is equal to 9. So you can write in terms of x, y is equal to what? 9 minus pi x. No need to put the value of pi. Y is alone, you can see. Means either you are taking in terms of x or y, that is not important. Either you are going to write in terms of x or y. You have to take x or y in the left hand side alone. 1 2 3 4 solutions, no? Then this is x and this one is y. In the place of x, I am putting what? 0. Pi 0 ja any number multiply 0 will give you 0 only. Pi 0 ja 0, so 9 minus 0 9. If 1, then 1 pi ja pi, 9 minus, it will be 9 minus pi. Then if you put 2, see here also you can take, no problem. Then 9 minus 2 into pi, 2 pi. 9 minus 2 pi, 9 minus 2 pi. Then we will take 4, then 9 minus 4 pi. Therefore, the solutions are 0 9 1 9 minus pi, then 2 9 minus 2 pi, and one more 4 9 minus 4 pi. These are the 4 solutions. Understood? Okay, so like this you have to find out the solutions of a linear equation in 2 variables. Next question. This is question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Here, if the value of x is 2 and y is 1, then you have to find the value of k. Okay, because like that, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to what? K is equal to k. Then in the place of x, what? They have given already 2, so 2 into 2. In the place of y, what? 1. So 3 into 1. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 is equal to what? K. Then 4 plus 3 7. only you have to replace the value by 2 and y, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, then you get the value of k is 1. Clear? Okay, in case any doubt, please get back to me in the evening. And your homeworks are question number 3. Okay, I have not done question number 3. Question number 3 is your homework, and one more homework. See, question number 2 I have solved 1 and 2. So question number 2, 3 and question number 3. Don't forget homework question number 2, 3. This is 3 because 1 and 2 I have done. Question number 2, 3 and question number 3. These two are your homework. Okay, thank you.